Hey, it's Miranda.
Hunter, Samantha,
and Drew.
We're going to do Chubby Bunny for you guys. Okay, I'll go first. Chubby Bunny.
Kathleen,
What?
No, you gotta go.
I just went.
Kathleen,
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny,
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny, Chubby Bunny,
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. No, he's out. He's out.
Okay.
Chubby Bunny.
I'm like a squirrel.
I always get over these.
Yeah. You're out. I think.
We're out of marshmallows. Eating them.
I got up. What's up? Ew. Ew. I gagged. I can't. I got up. Ew. Ew.
I think that'd be an out.
Yeah, you're out. Drew, wait. How many did you have in your mouth? Did you swallow any?
Yeah, I think you
Oh my God, that hurt.
Wait, no, take it out of your mouth. Let us see. Let me see. Let's compare. Let's compare. Yeah, you. I think you ate some.
I melted. There's a bunch of them melted in my mouth.
Okay. Either Drew or Sam
My mouth was
won.
like this, and it was like hanging on the edge of my throat, melting.
Okay, no one wants to hear that. No one wants to hear that. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching.
Chubby Bunny.
We had jumbo marshmallows, so we had to kind of split them in half, but we made it work.
That sucked.
Okay. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
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 Hunter, say bye.
Bye.